Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Media Helpdesk. I am your host and we're going to go over how to install and set up a new React app. So the next 20-30 seconds are going to be about how to install the tools you need to install a React. If you don't want to go through any of that, fast forward 30 seconds by tapping on your screen 3 times on YouTube, and you will completely avoid it in its entirety. So firstly, we are presuming you're working in either a Linux shell or a Linux environment. If you don't know what I'm talking about, that's a tutorial you're probably going to want to go watch on your own in a separate time. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go type in sudo apt-get install node. And what this will do is it'll install the node library of code, which is very, very important. It has a wide range across most front and back end development. Don't need to go into it because all we need is also to type in sudo apt-get install npm, which is also Node's package manager. Once you have that done, and welcome back the people who fast forwarded, you're then going to want to do the following. So the first thing you're going to want to do to install your React app is you're going to want to type npx, and that is not a typo. With the new npm 5.2, you get a package launcher with this command, and you're going to want to use the create-react-app. That is the package that comes with this, and what this will do is it will create a brand new React application. I'm going to name it, and after this, you type in hello world. Now, that's just what I'm naming this app. You can name it whatever you like. We're going to hit enter, and then we're going to get a bunch of text on the screen. It's going to create the React app, installing the packages, and we will see you when it comes back working. Alrighty, we are done. So if you scroll up here, we see just a lot of things happening. There's all the dependencies for the app. It took me about 5-ish, maybe 10 minutes to get everything installed. It really does depend on your processing power. Sometimes it takes longer, sometimes it takes shorter. It really depends. Moving on. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to cd change directory into our hello world application. And here we are. Now we're going to start it. You get, when you install React app, you get a handy little CLI tool called Yarn, and it's similar to Angular, where you would do ng serve-o. Well, in this case, we're going to do yarn start, which functionally does the exact same thing. And we're going to let this pop up, and I will see you guys momentarily. Alrighty then. So now the app is, a development server is live, and whenever we edit our application, these changes will reflect on screen automatically. It is at localhost 3000, and that's the default, at least for my machine. And ladies and gentlemen, that is how you set up a React application. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys next time.